This morning.
Oh, you were helping.
It's morning time at the Broadwells.
Yeah, that is one of the good things about sleeping in the front there, is that you get the advantage of the garden.
Did you hear what
I didn't think
Cheryl
about
said?
that until.
No.
I said, is that the gardener out?
No, that's not what she said.
Craig can probably imagine what I
Yeah,
said.
I think so.
You want a coffee?
Yes,
or-
please. Yes.
Okay, I'm right at the bottom. You're gonna have to wait a second.
That's okay. No, mate. I've got all the time in the world. I'm on holiday.
Okay.
No,
You on holiday?
in the dryer
Yeah.
and take some of the
Sort of.
dryer sheets.
Sort of. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, just put it in the dryer. I'll be down in a minute.
No, that's okay, I'll figure it out.
And dryer sheets are those bounce things.
We'll come
Real quick.
Fireplace that Colin Riddle made. Didn't think he did any work. Anyway, proves that he does do work. Done a good job too, Colin. Done a good job, mate. Looks good. Very fancy.
It's the yard electrical, everything that goes. Even a tractor. It's so cool. Really nice yard. Flowers, the cool. You know that paint.
Just see if that works. Hopefully I don't break it. No, it doesn't work. It's just a it's just an ornament. So yeah.
It's so cool. It's got things to do. There's another room there. I think it might be pink house. There's another room. No, sun's not really well. It's gonna go. That was fine. Yeah, up here. It's not right now, but
Birds.
yeah, next.
And they come and nest. Well, not nest. They come and feed off that thing there. They put sugar water in it. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Already seen some this morning, but I haven't got them on video yet. There's Dick in the kitchen doing his thing. It's his this is Dick's Harley. I'll just cheekily take the cover. I've already got some photos. Yeah. This is his pride and joy. I won't take it right off because it'll get bad. Yeah, it's getting a video. Oh. So this is his because Dick was a fireman, a paid fireman for 35 years, and they gave him this motorcycle. No, they didn't give it to him. I think he had to pay for it. But
Ivan, you're full of shit.
from Laidlaw's. Laidlaw's gave it to him.
Yeah, right.
I think Dick just had to pass over a little small amount of cash. And Craig's just fixing the tail light.
Look at that.
Yeah, see?
Perfect.
Just fixed it. I don't think it'll work, so. Is that like you, Craig? You fix it, but it just doesn't work.
Correct.
Anyway, that's really cool. That's Dick's pride and joy. He's been around America on it for 5 or 6 times, and maybe another. That's Craig. He's busy day. That's Carol's studio where she does all her glass work. She's can't probably see. It's really cool. Very talented people. So I'm not sure who that is, but anyway, looking after the water.
Yeah, see that guy? There's a way down the street here. There's one there. Very cool. Very nice.
Dick's way of getting around the yard. This is mode of transport around this property because it's so large, like his ranch. This is just an everyday breakfast at Dick and Carol's. I put on quite a spread. Cheryl's helped out today.
Absolutely amazing. And we've got the hummingbirds behind us. I love the humming.
Oh, there's one. I'm going to try and video them, but there's one over there, but we can't see it on the video.
Just wait till they come here.
Yeah. Anyway, this is a everyday breakfast at the Broadwells. There's Carol, just this is what she puts on every day.
Yeah.
She's done a great job, great job.
I bet you can't tell what my favorite color is.
Red?
Blue?
Pink.
It's not blue, honey.
Oh,
It's turquoise.
turquoise, that's
Do you
right.
call it turquoise, yes?
Yes.
Yeah, that's a beautiful
How many
colour.
more knives and forks do we need? 1, 2,
We,
2.
there's one on the counter and I'll get another one. Need a spoon for the butter.
Just here at the swap meet with Dick and Craig. Craig's bought his first purchase of some highway pants. So much stuff here. It's ridiculous. Yeah. Shirts that go in the panniers. The cloth inserts.
No, I don't have any right now.
3 mechanics just wrenching around.
Wrenching.
Wrenching.
There's only one mechanic and there's only one wrenching.
Well, there's only one wrenching. I don't think there are any mechanics.
Oh.
Aren't you glad you didn't open it?
Yeah.
This Craig has no idea what he's doing.
No, he doesn't.
Marcus, where are you?
Yeah.
We need you. So,
Just wrenching around, Ivan.
wrenching around.
So all we're going to need is a hex. Oh, that looks pretty fucking. Oh, look at that.
What's happened?
Look at the hex.
Yeah.
I wonder if Dick's got one of those in his Harley box.
I think he has. Yeah, so it's hot. And you know what we do when it's hot? We drink Coronas. Look at these young things these days, just on their phones all day. Haven't been able to get them off it.
That's just kid.
Dick and Carol's having a swim. Hope I don't fall in with this camera in my hand. That would be terrible, wouldn't it? Oh, so nice. Oh, it's cooler.
Is that all right in the water?
It's supposed to be.
Well, while you're down.
That's really nice. Cools you down. It's quite warm, but it does cool you down. Here's Craig. Craig got his abs out. It's like me. Sort of a single ab now.
It's a flare.
Craig's going to dive in. Yeah. I dived in from that end.
Didn't bottom.
No. Dick's going to get his trunks. Dick's going to get his trunks. But you remember you did that somewhere else last time.
Are you ready?
Yeah, this is Dick's American Olympics. I'd give him 4 stars for that. Yeah, top of the class, mate. I don't know how you didn't get in.
I can see why it's almost.
Where I can go down and pass. Somebody's here.
Here it is here. Here it is here.
I'm part of the way. I don't know if I'm supposed to have my legs through that thing or not.
Yeah, I wasn't sure either. And then the more you do that, your shorts start coming off.
Yeah.
But don't worry, it's on video.
Not a problem. Could you see that mole? Right in the middle.
That dark one.
I got a brown mole right in the middle.
You know, you can get that bleached nowadays.
Oh, don't push away from there. That was my. Oh, you kicked over my beer.
That wasn't me, I haven't been there. None spilled out.
Okay. Oh, geez.
I'll give you a hand.
I think that it is.
I think you're supposed to put your feet, yeah.
Stand on the side.
There we go.
Oh, that's better. Okay. Let's see how. Now, I saw how Ivan gets on them. Let's see how you're going to do it.
Are you sure this is the showy?
Sorry, mate.
Okay.
Are you having fun, dear?
Well, if this is the Bud Light, it's probably. Yeah.
Yeah.
Who, did they tell you when you bought these things that they were state of the art?
No, they were cheap.
This is Craig trying to get on his pink floaty.
What's going on? Give me here! Fall off my own.
Oh.
Could you not crack your head on the side of the pool, mate,
So mine tipped over.
I found that one
We
of
went
the
over for that
menus
purpose.
referred to entree
me to
as
get a
like
golf
so
ball.
we have
Why?
our
Because they
all
charge
that-
extra for it.
All this,
Well, it just seems to be like a
giant
main meal.
building. I
The
mean,
salad,
it had
so we've had
offices
appetizers and
on
then
the
dinner,
second
and they say,
story.
do you want a salad?
plus
Caesar
all of
salad,
the
or a
machinery
Caesar
and everything
salad?
for
That's how it comes, isn't
for
it?
doing
Yeah, appetizer,
golf
then
clubs
that with
on the lower
either
story.
But that's often not
And,
on the menu as an entree.
And so we got talking to
Right, 'cause
someone
they
over
charge
there.
you.
Where are we going today?
Have we got water in the car, Cobber?
There's one in this door, and there's a half one which will be mine in the other door. So just grab one or two, or just grab two. I'll swap them over.
Yeah, he won't let him out of his sight.
Definitely have me in his sight.
This is our goodbye to the Broadwells.
So where are we going to stand?
The Broadwell Resort. So we're just going to do couples, yeah?
Yeah. Oh, okay.
It's going to be a bit awkward otherwise, isn't it?
You know, I could get a fan and blow on the flights to where they're
No,
flying
so good.
instead of just hanging.
I think she got a picture of the flag.
Yes,
Yes.
I did. Yeah.